Hello, today we're gonna review this baby. This is a Minolta Autocord and it's the model one, probably from early 1960s. What is interesting about this one is actually the shutter. As you can see, it's a Citizen MXV. Usually you see a different Citizen shutter on those cameras, and it's quite interesting in the fact that as a TLR it's opening in the opposite way. Actually it's open from the top here going down. Typically all the other TLRs has got a hinge here, and as you can see it's got a nice finder for focusing. It's that button on that stuff on the bottom, and I will put this to test, and I'm really curious to see how the picture will end up with this baby. Alright, so let's have some fun.